Microsoft just dropped Harrier OSS v1, and it's already putting serious pressure on Google in multilingual AI search. Google is making high-quality video generation ridiculously cheap with VO 3.1 Lite, while quietly testing 3D avatars and a brand new ReMi learning mode inside Gemini. Meta just turned AI glasses into everyday prescription wearables with 2 new Ray-Ban models. Anthropic accidentally leaked over 500,000 lines of Claude Code source code while testing a wild new epitaxy desktop interface. And xAI is rolling out custom skills for Grok to go toe-to-toe with Claude and ChatGPT in the agent race. This week, the AI industry moved at warp speed. No fluff, just the facts, the numbers, the code-ready details, and exactly why every single one of these moves matters for developers, creators, and anyone building the future. Let's break it down. First, Microsoft's Harrier OSS v1. Microsoft open-sourced an entire family of decoder-only transformer embedding models under the MIT license on Hugging Face. They use last token pooling plus L2 normalization to create dense, high-quality vectors that crush retrieval, clustering, semantic similarity, classification, bytext mining, and re-ranking. 3 sizes available right now: 270 million parameters, 66.5 on multilingual MTAB v2, 0.6 billion parameters, 69.0, straight-up state-of-the-art at launch 27 billion parameters, 74.3 for the absolute maximum performance. All 3 share the same 32,768 token context window, perfect for long documents, entire research papers, or massive knowledge bases. The smaller models are knowledge distilled from the big one, so you get near-top performance without needing a supercomputer. They support roughly 94 languages: Arabic, Hindi, Japanese, Chinese, European languages, you name it. This is truly global retrieval out of the box. The killer feature? Instruction tuning. You prepend a single natural language task description, and the model instantly adapts. Why this puts pressure on Google? Closed-source embedding APIs suddenly look expensive and limited. Any developer or startup can now run SOTA multilingual retrieval locally or on cheap cloud GPUs. RAG pipelines for non-English markets just got a massive upgrade. Enterprise search, recommendation engines, legal tech, medical AI. Harrier democratizes what used to be Google's scale capability. Download it today, it's free. Next, Google's double punch on video and Gemini. Google just released VO 3.1 Lite, their most cost-effective video generation model ever. It's live right now in paid preview through the Gemini API and Google AI Studio. Text to video, image to video, native audio that actually syncs, stunning realism, rock-solid prompt adherence, and full support for portrait and landscape formats. While the full VO 3.1 can push 4K, Lite focuses on speed and price so you can generate at scale without burning cache. Extend clips, create seamless transitions, control resolution, 720p, 1080p, even 4K on the bigger model. The cost drop is dramatic. This is the model that finally makes AI video viable for daily content creators, marketers, indie filmmakers, and app builders. At the same time, Gemini is getting 2 huge experimental upgrades. First, 3D avatars. Inside the attachment menu, you'll soon see a likeness option to generate a 3D portrait of yourself. Use it in image and video prompts for perfect character consistency across scenes. It's been in internal testing and looks ready for prime time. Second, ReMi, a brand new dedicated learning mode that sits in Gemini's side navigation. Built specifically for students, it helps you prepare for exams, break down complex topics, create practice tests, and build personalized study plans. Think of it as your always-on AI tutor inside the same interface you already use. Skill support is also quietly rolling out to select Gemini Ultra users. All of this tells us Google is turning Gemini into a true multimodal daily driver. Cheaper video plus personalized avatars plus learning tools. Creators who used to pay premium prices for short clips can now iterate 10 times faster. Students get a smarter study companion. The entire ecosystem just got more accessible and more powerful. Now, Meta's hardware play. Meta launched 2 new Ray-Ban smart glasses made for prescription users, the Blazer Optics and Scriber Optics, both priced at $499. Pre-orders are open in the US. They hit optical retailers April 14th. These aren't bulky tech gadgets. They have overextension hinges, interchangeable nose pads, and optician-adjustable temple tips, so they fit any face shape perfectly. Meta partnered with Essilor Luxottica to make AI glasses something people actually want to wear every single day, even if they need vision correction. The AI features are seamless. Snap a photo to log meals instantly. Get real-time WhatsApp conversation summaries.
receive turn-by-turn navigation overlays, or ask Meta AI anything while your hands stay free. With Meta already holding 76% of the global smart glasses market, these prescription models remove the last big barrier to mainstream adoption.
This is the moment wearable AI stops being a gimmick and becomes normal eyewear. Hands-free, context-aware assistance while you walk, cook, drive, or work. No phone in your hand. Meta is betting big that AI glasses will be as common as AirPods, and they just made that future fit everyone who wears glasses. Anthropic had a wild week with Claude Code. First, a security researcher discovered that Anthropic accidentally published the full source code of Claude Code via their official NPM package. One source map reference led straight to an unobfuscated zip file on their Cloudflare R2 bucket, 1,900 TypeScript files, more than 512,000 lines of code, including every /command and built-in tool library. Anthropic called it a misconfiguration, not a breach, and quickly fixed it. But the code is now out there for anyone to study, fork, or improve. While that was happening, Anthropic started testing a new desktop UI called Epitaxy for Claude Code. It's not a separate product. It's an alternative interface loaded with power user hotkeys for the model selector, skill selector, and every tool. There's even a fun animation. Claude's mascot launches fireballs downward with the text, "Let Claude cook." Whether it's a serious productivity upgrade or a cheeky internal experiment, it shows Anthropic is laser-focused on making coding with Claude faster and more enjoyable. The leak gives developers unprecedented insight into how Anthropic builds its coding agent. The Epitaxy UI hints at where the product is heading. Together, they signal that Claude Code is becoming a serious rival to Cursor, Windsurf, and every other AI coding environment. Last but not least, xAI's move in the agent race. xAI is actively preparing custom skills support for Grok. These are reusable, task-specific instruction templates that you create once, name, describe, and then import or export as .skill, .zip, or .md files. Need a perfect web research workflow? Save it as a skill. Content drafting, data lookup, build it once and reload it forever. It sits right below full custom agents. You can already configure up to 4 distinct agents with their own instructions. And skills add a lighter, more granular layer of customization. No more copying and pasting long system prompts every time. Just load your saved skill and go. The feature flag is already in the web codebase, so rollout is coming soon. xAI is deliberately mirroring what Anthropic and OpenAI are doing, but with their signature speed and focus on real-time knowledge plus tools. In the agent race, modularity wins. Grok users who rely on repeatable professional workflows just got a massive productivity upgrade. So what does all this mean? Microsoft opened the multilingual retrieval floodgates. Google made premium video and personalized Gemini tools affordable and useful for everyone. Meta proved AI glasses can be normal daily eyewear. Anthropic showed they're all in on coding agents while giving the community a surprise gift of source code, and xAI is making Grok more modular and professional by the week. The AI agent and multimodal race is no longer about who has the biggest model. It's about who ships the most usable, most customizable, most accessible tools fastest. Every single one of these releases moves that needle forward. Now let's talk about the bigger picture, the impact on 2040. These breakthroughs aren't just weekly wins, they're laying the foundation for an AI-native world. By 2040, Harrier-style open multilingual embeddings will have erased language barriers completely, letting billions in India, Africa, Latin America, and beyond access the sum of human knowledge in their mother tongue with perfect accuracy. VO-level video generation, now dirt cheap, will turn every smartphone into a Hollywood studio. Education videos, local storytelling, marketing, and scientific visualization will explode, accelerating innovation in every field. Prescription AI glasses like Meta's will be the default interface for most people, delivering hands-free, context-aware intelligence 24/7. No more staring at screens. Your AI will see what you see and help in real time. Coding agents powered by Claude and Grok skills will compress what used to take teams of engineers months into days, supercharging software, drug discovery, climate modeling, and space tech. Overall, AI will become invisible infrastructure, boosting global productivity by orders of magnitude, personalizing education and healthcare for every individual, and giving creators and scientists godlike tools. Challenges like job displacement, deepfake regulation, and ethical alignment will be real. But the upside is clear. Faster scientific breakthroughs, massive economic growth, and a leap in human potential that could solve climate change, disease, and poverty at scale. My take on all of this? This is the most exciting era in human history to be alive and building. The healthy competition, the open source drops, the rapid productization, it's not hype. It's compounding progress that actually puts powerful AI in the hands of regular people and small teams, not just tech giants. I'm especially bullish because these tools amplify curiosity and creativity instead of replacing it. Yes, we'll have to navigate the hard parts thoughtfully, but the trajectory feels unstoppable in the best way. This week alone proves we're sprinting toward a future where AI helps humanity understand the universe faster than ever. I'm optimistic, fired up, and genuinely grateful to witness it. Which one excites you the most? Harrier for search, VO for video, prescription AI glasses, Claude Code's future, or Grok's skills? Drop your pick in the comments. I read every single one.